Welcome to the Cat Nap Restorative Meditation, a practice inspired by the effortless relaxation of a cat curled up in peaceful slumber. Cats are masters of rest, surrendering fully to the moment without tension or worry. In this meditation, we will invite the same sense of deep relaxation, allowing ourselves to release stress and sink into a space of warmth, comfort, and restoration. Find a cozy, quiet place to settle in, just as a cat would find its perfect napping spot. Settling in. Begin by finding a comfortable position. You may choose to lie down, curl up on your side, or sit in a supportive seat. Allow your body to soften, just like a cat melting into its favorite resting place. Close your eyes gently, letting your breath flow naturally. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. With each breath, feel yourself settling deeper, as if you're a cat needing a soft blanket, preparing for a restful nap. Releasing tension. Bring awareness to your body. Imagine you are a cat stretching luxuriously before settling down. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, then let them relax completely. Roll your shoulders slightly, then allow them to drop, releasing any tension. Soften your jaw, unclench your teeth, and relax your face. Now, imagine warmth spreading through your body, like the gentle sunlight a cat seeks out for a perfect nap. This warmth begins at the top of your head and slowly moves down, melting tension from your forehead, your neck, your shoulders, flowing down your arms into your hands. Feel this warmth continue down through your chest, your belly, your hips, down your legs, reaching all the way to your feet. Your entire body is now bathed in this soothing golden warmth. Breathing like a purring cat. Now, let's focus on the rhythm of your breath. Imagine the soft, steady purr of a contented cat. Let your breath become slow and effortless. Inhale, filling your lungs gently, like the slow rise of a sleeping cat's belly. Exhale, releasing all tension, letting go completely. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of peaceful stillness. There is nowhere to be, nothing to do, only this moment of pure rest. Drifting into restful awareness. Imagine yourself as a cat curled up in a warm, sunlit corner. Your body is completely at ease. You are safe, supported, and embraced by comfort. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them with the softness of a cat's slow blink, then let them drift away, like a tail flicking in the breeze. Let yourself be held in this moment, as if the universe itself is cradling you. Breathe in, peace. Breathe out, surrender. Allow yourself to rest fully, just as a cat does, without resistance, without hesitation. Gently awakening. When you are ready, begin to return gently. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back to your body. Take a deep, refreshing breath, as if you're a cat stretching awake from a perfect nap. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this deep sense of rest and relaxation with you. Know that, just like a cat, you can return to this state of peace anytime you need it. Rest well, dear one.
Find a quiet corner, soft and warm, like the sunlight after a gentle storm. Let your body sink, let your breath be free, drifting down like leaves from a sleep. it softly go, like a tail in the breeze swaying low. No need to chase, no need to hold. Just breathe in peace, let the moment unfold. Curl up and rest, let the world fade away. Nothing to carry, nothing to say. Feel the warmth, let it cradle your mind. Like a cat in the sun, leave your worries behind. Wiggle your fingers, stretch inside, like waking up to an endless sky. Carry this calm wherever you roam. Like a cat in the sun, you're always home. Wiggle your fingers, stretch inside, like waking up to an endless sky. Carry this calm wherever you roam. Like a cat in the sun, you're always home.